Hello, this is a new seminar series where in 2 minutes we'll show you something that makes the use of the HPC systems a little bit easier. Today's seminar is about SSH and how to better secure your Compute Canada account. Everyone knows now to use strong passwords and not to reuse them on multiple sites. The problem with strong passwords is that they're a pain to type. Also, with only a password protecting your account, that's all someone needs to gain access. Better security is provided by something you know and something you have, like your credit card and your PIN. You need both to get access. Let's set up dual factor authentication for my account, something I have and something I know. The first thing we need to do is create our SSH key pair. This is done using the SSH keygen command available on your Linux or Macintosh computer. If you're using Windows, watch at the end for a link for further help. It will prompt you for a passphrase. Enter a password to secure your SSH key. This is not your account password. This is a password you need to open your key and use it to get access to an account. Now you have a private SSH key protected with a password, much like your credit card is protected with your PIN. The final task is to put our public SSH key onto Gram. Your private key is in the idrsa.pub file, and we'll use sftp to put that file up onto Gram. This should be the last time you ever have to type your Gram password. I have to put the public key into the proper location with the proper file name and with the proper file permissions. Remember, this public key can be placed on any system in any user account. Wherever it exists, you will be able to log in using your private key. Let's see these keys in action. To connect to Gram, I need to first unlock my private key, typing in my passphrase for that key. Once unlocked, it is used to authenticate me into my account on the cluster. There you go. In under 2 minutes, I was able to convert my account to use two-factor authentication, making access much more secure. Additional resources are available in the links below. Thanks for watching.